should I really do Facebook retargeting, or is there a way to do that without like having Facebook ads specifically? And who do I go to find that person if my Google Ads person doesn't do it?
That's Alira. Just set up my Google Ads and plan to do retargeting on Google. But will that also retarget for those who watch our YouTube videos, or is it something completely different? Good question, Solito. But the question is retargeting. Let's talk about that, retargeting, because this is also, nobody talks about this and nobody knows how to use this effectively. Okay, retargeting is the topic. Retargeting is somebody who has already came to your funnel or came and kind of explored you. So that means they're top of the funnel, but now you need to show them more videos in different places to get them to either go book a call or to go become a client. Okay, it's just retargeting, re-showing them to get them back into the funnel. The different retargeting options that you have, number one is Facebook retargeting. That means usually you have a source that brings you leads from somewhere. So let's just say from Google, you're doing Google Ads or you're doing YouTube, and they get to your funnel, but they didn't take action. They didn't book a call or didn't become clients. So now you could tell Facebook, hey, anybody that got to this page, retarget them back on Facebook. So Facebook is like number one retargeting way to do it. Number two is YouTube. You retarget, you show them videos. Once they search for you on Google, they found your website or your funnel, they're being retargeted back on YouTube. And that usually your Google Ads company, it's very easy to set up a YouTube. Google owns YouTube. So in the same platform, create a YouTube campaign. And usually it's very easy, honestly. They shouldn't charge much. I mean, it's okay for them to charge a little bit, but it's not anything crazy. As long as you give them the videos, you have those videos either from your existing YouTube channel, or you make specific YouTube videos specifically for people that you already know, that they already know who you are, but you're just trying to get them down the funnel. It means you talk about, hey, I know you have this problem. Like, look, all these people that have been able to help. If you haven't already, book a call. Then yeah, you just give them those YouTube links, and very easily you can create YouTube campaigns that retargets people who have been to your website or in your funnel pages or your blog articles or anywhere. And that usually 20% of your marketing budget goes towards retargeting. And that 20% budget is your highest ROI marketing spend you can do. But you need to have enough traffic, enough marketing for you to do retargeting. You can't just do retargeting if you don't have people coming to your website and your funnels, things like that. So if you already have, say, Google Ads person asking about that, give them like 5 videos, 5 of your YouTube videos, and tell them, hey, put this up as YouTube retargeting ads. Those increases those touch points, and now anybody who again finds you and Google's your goes on your website now for the next year, they'll see your videos nonstop. And as soon as they become a client, once you have the tracking codes installed, as soon as they become clients, they stop seeing your ads because Google or Facebook knows that they became a client. But that's the kind of retargeting stuff.
So is Facebook retargeting the same as YouTube? Because my Google Ads guy says he doesn't do Facebook ads, and I really want to focus on Google Ads. That's I want to have one main source. So should I really do Facebook retargeting, or is there a way to do that without like having Facebook ads specifically? And who do I go to find that person if my Google Ads person doesn't do it?
Usually your Google person will not do Facebook ads because it's two different roles, and they shouldn't.
Okay.
And I don't want the same person doing my Google ads and Facebook ads. So that's good that they didn't try to just do it for you. It depends on how much are you spending on Google ads?
Right now we're like at 3K. We just started. We're fine with hiking it up over time, but we're just trying to see the lay of the land and how it goes and adjust as needed.
Get it up to 5K.
Okay.
Once you get to 5K, then you'll be able to put like $1,000 in Facebook retargeting.
Okay.
And for that it's just a simple campaign. I would just literally go hire somebody on Upwork. It should be pretty easy. You give them the content, these are the images or videos that I want. Just create the pixel. It's called a Facebook pixel. Put the pixel on my funnel on my website, that anybody who goes there will now start seeing these images and videos on Facebook. And then there's different call to actions. Like when you show the ad, what do you want them to do? Do you want to send them to like a booking link? Then that will go directly to your account, like booking. We could talk about that, but for now, just get up to 5K. 5K or more makes sense to start doing retargeting.
Retargeting, okay. And is that the same for Google retargeting, or is it okay to go ahead and have that in there as a part of my general ad strategy?
Quote unquote, Google retargeting is YouTube ads and
okay.
Google display. When you start seeing images of you, but Google Display and stuff, it's not as effective. So YouTube is like the way.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Get it up to 5K. And I know you just started, so give it like 3 months, and then hopefully it's profitable, it's good, and put that back in, make it up to 5K, and even go up, scale it past that too.
All right, thank you.
Sure. Again, the first month of Google Ads is, don't judge it by that. Just you expect to not make money. Second month, break even. Third month, make money. That's the mentality.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Good question. Norma shared, I've been working with a marketing company that is subscription based. I'm not getting much from it. I've been paying for months. So share the name with us. That was good. Marketing company. So marketing company, I don't believe in marketing companies don't exist. I only hire people that do one specific thing really well. They do Google ads. Great. They do Facebook ads. Great. They do my YouTube for me. Great. So I never ever had a company that just does marketing, digital agency, digital whatever. So be conscious of that if you're already working with somebody like that. And the other thing is, by month 3, it should be pretty obvious whether it's either profitable, it's not. There's nothing in the middle. So if you already are in some kind of relationship with a marketing company and it's been past month 3 and you're still not sure, first thing is maybe have a conversation, say you have these issues, and see whether give them 30 days to see if they can fix it. If not, usually I already know it just doesn't pan out. Take that money. Let's go specifically. We could talk it out which one makes more sense for you. Google ads. Ideally, go set that up easily. If not, we could talk about Facebook ads and YouTube ads. It's much better to spend that money and put it in more effective places. Veronica said, I recommend a good light. Seems to mask quite a good bit. Yeah, totally. Good audio, good light. Good audio and good light is kind of important. Again, we created a new list called vendors list. Here it is. I haven't checked on it, but if there's anybody has finds any new vendors and things, Veronica, you're like, go new ones. If you can add it, I made this document. You can add suggestions to it, so you can add if you guys find anybody new. Put that in here so we can share resources with each other. Or if you do talk to them and they don't do it anymore, whatever, just put those notes in here. So over time, we'll make this, again, I want this to be for us, by us, that benefits everybody. If all of us have this mindset, I think all of us will win together. And I want that to be like that versus just me. So these are your choices for other people. For Google Ads, it definitely pays to work with somebody to have specific experience in your practice type, recent experience. Other thing that I'll share is if you do estate planning, family law, and bankruptcy, email me, because I have someone else who only focuses on those. And these guys have been doing it for a while. 90% of marketing companies, I see them come and go. And the ones who last and they've been here for years are usually the good ones. So these guys, I've seen them for like 4 or 5 years. And they also offer a money back guarantee, which is pretty strong, I believe, for the first month. So just send me an email and say that you do the practice type. Yeah, those are the good guys. Colleen, that's worth it. Again, estate planning, family law, bankruptcy, those guys are better at that, those specific ones. You always want to find the people who've done it specifically for that practice type recently, not 6 months ago, not 3 months ago, right now, because it matters.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.